everyone, I'm Nelson Chia from Flexon Product Team. Today, I'll be performing a live demonstration on our X-PHY Server Defender. For those who have seen our past demonstration, we have shown how we instantly detect and restore from ransomware and DMA attacks, which are also available in our website, as well as YouTube video channels. Now, today is a world of digital age, where internet connectivity has become most important aspect in computing world. It's a link that connects the vast amount of end devices and servers around the world. And that brings an attack known as DOS or DDoS, Distributed Denial of Service. It's a type of cybercrime in which attackers flood a server with internet traffic to prevent users from accessing connected online services and sites. Without any further ado, let us begin. First, allow me to remote access into a web hosting server that is protected by X-PHY Server Defender. This is a space project site called Space Dive that provides entertainment and learning abilities, teaching people the different types of planets in our solar system. At the bottom, the site offers a series of planet icons as shortcut links.
Take a minute to gift yourself with some rejuvenating concentration.
Now, let me roleplay as an attacker to trigger a series of DDoS attacks that will flood the server traffic. Typically, such attack will follow suit by a second attack, such as ransomware, which today it will be simultaneously performed automatically together to cater such scenario. Let us begin the attack. SQL, NetBIOS, POPMAP, UTP, Sync, UTP LAT. Now, everyone, let's take a look at the Server Defender portal. It has detected the series of DDoS attacks, including ransomware attack. Now, let me stop the DDoS attack first before I'm able to remote access back into the web hosting server to show you what happened to it. See, Space Dive letter has string as well, including the planet icon has been compromised as part of the DDoS attack. Not only that, let's take a look at the Space Dive site backend database server. It has encrypted by ransomware as second attack during the DDoS, which I have mentioned earlier. Take a look. Okay. In today's market, there is IDS solution. In short, it's called Intrusion Detection System that is able to monitor DDoS attack. An important point to note here for everyone that a DDoS attack is to overwhelm the network traffic and or slow down the server. Generally, after DDoS attack are followed by other attacks such as ransomware, which you have seen earlier. IDS solution rely on expertise from cyber security professional to deduce why someone might be doing a DDoS attack and not giving any further equations for analysis and what additional breach attacker might want to trigger as well. But for X-PHY Server Defender, it monitors attack happening from level 2, 3, 4 of the TCP/IP models. And if we map that into the 7 layer of OSI architecture, it will be level 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is the differences between IDS solution versus X-PHY Server Defender. They're able to provide holistic protection starting from the bottom layer all the way to upper layer. Okay, now let me bring everyone back to the X-PHY Server Defender portal, as shown in my share screen. During our official launch, the restoration will be automatically triggered once it detected any attacks. But for today's demonstration, it will be, we have created this button over here to show the restoration processes. Let me click onto the recovery button to see what happened. The Server Defender will first analyze what has been compromised and repair the Server Defender for recovery. Once it's ready, the recovery will occur. For larger enterprise, typically they will have a playbook during an incident event occurred, which we can provide customization accordingly to the organization playbook if necessary. Now, let us take a look back at the space dive site. Everything has resumed back to normal. Let's take a look at the database as well. All restoration has been back from the encryption, which you have seen earlier. With that, I will end my demonstration, and I thank you everyone for this opportunity for me to showcase this demonstration. Thank you.